Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Art Indulgence. As it is Independence Day, so I am making tricolor dhokla. I am using all natural ingredients and no artificial food color. For green color, I have taken some palak leaves and just blanched it. For red or saffron color, I have taken one gajar and one tomato and one chili with the blanched spinach leaves. Now I am taking 2 katoris of suji and 1 katori of fresh dahi measured from the same katori. Salt according to taste and a little bit of water if required. We don't have to make slurry out of this batter, so please keep the consistency to a medium thick batter. Now I am using 2 tablespoons of oil. Just mix it properly. After the mixing has been done, just keep the batter aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile the batter is resting, I will blend the spinach, just adding few ginger for the taste. Similarly, we'll blend the carrot and tomato with the ginger. Now you can see my both color paste is ready. Now I will divide the suji proportion in 3 parts. Just divide the suji batter in 3 equal parts and start mixing the colors one by one. By color I mean the paste we have prepared. Starting with the palak paste, add bit by bit as we have to check the consistency also and the proper color also. Similarly, adding carrot and tomato paste to the other part bit by bit. Now you can see the batter has gained the desired color. Now it's the time to pour the batter. You can take any plate which has a boundary, but I am taking a cake tin here. Just grease it properly. Take 1 packet of ENO and divide it equally in 3 equal parts for the 3 parts of batter. First I am taking the green batter and taking 1/3 part of the ENO. Mix it gently and just pour it into the cake tin or the plate, whatever you are taking. And don't mix ENO simultaneously together in all the parts. We'll do it one by one. Now taking a flat wok filled with 1 inch of water and put a stand on it. Now steam the green batter only for 5 minutes. Just put a lid over it and steam it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you can see it's partially done. Now I will repeat the same process with white batter. Put 1/3 part of the ENO in the white batter and put over the green part and steam it. Cover the lid and steam it again for the 5 minutes. Now finally the same process with the saffron batter. Mix the last 1/3 part of the ENO in the orange batter and finally again steam it for the 5 minutes. As I am making dhokla, so I am adding ENO. It should be more spongier. If you are making idli from the same batter, no need of adding ENO, as curd and oil will give the required sponginess to the idli. As the final steaming is going on, let's prepare the tadka or the seasoning. For the seasoning, take 1 tablespoon of oil, let it gain the temperature, then splutter some rayi in it. Add some green chilies. Please don't forget to slit the chilies in between or it will burst up. Few leaves of curry patta. Just fry everything for 10 to 15 seconds on a high heat. Then add 1 cup of water in it. Finally adding 1 tablespoon of sugar and juice of 1 lemon. Gently demold the dhokla now and just put it upside down. Cut the whole dhokla in square pieces and evenly put the seasoning over it. You can also decorate it with desiccated coconut and coriander leaves. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.